The momentum for the adoption of the Roman script for the Kokborok language reached a fever pitch in Monday today as hundreds of local residents joined the statewide Homsang rally. Part of a synchronized movement across Tripura, the demonstration in Monday underscored the deep-rooted demand of the indigenous Tiprasa community for the linguistic and educational autonomy. The rally in Monday saw a massive turnout with local community members, youth and elders marching through the streets. Similarly to the central demonstration in Agartala, Santirvazar and other parts of the state was characterized by a sea of placards and resounding slogans such as "We want Roman script for Kokborok." The peaceful yet powerful demonstration in Monday concluded with a pledge to continue the agitation until the government issue a concrete directive.
Homsang rally sing kalaimani karanor joton saimanjak kanai 13 December jebabe chini manoniya mukhyamantri chini Kokborok no selengjagoi chini Kokborok ni kokno chini mani kokno sing toma script sinai sia amno jebo kebengi kok samani amno no sing khadulaijak sing onek nasinglai tini simingya chini hani kok chini mani kok chini hawono sing je second language sing tongmani chini hawono chini mani kok sing second language sing tongmani ono tini salsa salenia bisi brum no sing Kokborok jeta chini mani kok script no ti jing je kok sai tongmani chini Bangla script ta English script jani ja motamot nai jan ja muchung te chhuitun honi sing je dabi khai tongmani jara Bangla script be sina muchung chhuitun jara ko ingo Roman script be sina muchung chhuitun honi sing dabi khai mani a dabi no tapon fulfill khaya borongso chungni jabe bo utsa khai kok samani je bo chini bagi hamya samani chini Kokborok no mani kok no je bo chigon khai kok samani amno sing selangai sing tini bini protibade sing tini oro mosal misil ma khaja amon bagai chini amchani joto tahukte bukuksong ma phasong nijini bagi yaphano nijini busapute nijin busaputi yaphano nijin sukthani bagi phano chung wang sukthai klayo sudu chini oro chung simiya chini hani borok chung sudu deborma simiya o hanon ngo Kokborok naine chini omo jagawo chini 19 dophak Kokborok Roman script sinan bagi chung je sani tongmani amno chung fulfill khainen bagi chung je dabi khai tong bisi brum no exam phayo exam Bangla script bung thango bunga chung English bai salai tong haibano chung mayan bagi chung tini khadulaijak omai ki chung tai salbusu tong sinai chino haono chung je second language sanamjak tongmani amo to durbagyo no omonu pore chini nangmani sokmani chini bosabuti chini thinangni je porashuna mane no education mane chin bagi development orosis bo aringi basi tongman bagi chung beleke selengmani chung kununa bagi chung tini mosal ri khai
o daibina mai khai busang jara ko tai boba hai chobar ko thani
choba chini choba thaigya chung amo sudu salsa salniya chino choba bo jel chanai chai tongo case klai tongo chung tabuk nang jel ya jel subung kibde borok subung jaga tonglak chini hani tibrasani bagi chung tangai ke chini hani chini mani kokno chung sana bagi chung tabuk kirmai sakai bono kiri tongnai haija amo haike chung jibafan nasik tongla chini naharmung tibrasani sudu tibra mothani boroya sudu TSM niya sudu TISM niya সমগ্র ত্রিপুরাসানি না বিজেপি না সিপিএম না কংগ্রেস না এনপিডি না এপিডি যে কোনো বসং যে কোনো রাজনীতি খাইদং নি সবে মানি কক তো কক বরলে কক বরনো जों রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট সিনানি হেনি जों যে সাইতমন আমলো नों तागै केमना ककलाय नों आसिम चिनि हानि কক বরन नों जाजाया इंराजी अक्षर नों जाजाया बा রোমান স্ক্রিপ্ট नो जाजाया खाय मिस्टर मानिक साहा चीफ मिनिस्टार ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टार नों बतो नों जे परि फाइमानि जतो इंराजी अक्षर बनि Roman script no korben no pori phayo amon khaini no doctor phayo even in signature nowadays you are sign in Roman script ang tabuk sanamu chung even honorable chief minister you sign in English alphabet why it is so writing in constitution Bangla script why don't you learn in Bangla script or Bangla medium why today you are against of our mother tongue please give our rights to do whatever we want you cannot condemn our such kind of language. This is not for today, not for tomorrow. This is for whole generation, year for year.
Reporter Bimalin from Mandai, Chini Khorang.